So guys, I launched a software as a service in about 4 hours. I'm going to show you the application that I created and how I created it and how I'm going to promote it from here. This is something that you guys can do if you want to make money on your own. Remember what I always preach on this channel and why this channel exists. It's not just to learn coding. Yes, that is part of it. But guys, coding is just a tool. Web development is a tool. It's not something to get obsessed with. It's not something to lock yourself in a room and do algorithms all day and get obsessed with learning framework after framework. You need to put this stuff to use so that you can make money and better your life. So let's jump into this and see how I built a software as a service in less than 1 day. So guys, the idea for this SaaS, the software as a service that I built, actually came from me building my new part of my course, Prompt Build Ship. And in the course, we actually go through and I build this from scratch in the Build and Ship with AI portion of the course. If you want to watch like the whole thing, it's create and deploy a full stack app using AI lead tracker. I show you the whole AI workflow that you can do once you understand your coding foundations, how full stack development works, the basics of HTML, CSS, and programming. You can jump into stuff like this and create stuff really, really quickly. So check out Prompt Build Ship, my course bundle, if you want to learn all of that so that you have the power to do the same workflows that I have. So this is called ClientCued. I got ClientCued.com. And what this is, guys, is it's just a lead tracker. It's a lead tracker for anybody that owns a small business, or maybe you want to use it as a freelancer. Maybe you're a web development freelancer, and you want to keep track of people that you've contacted and leads that you actually have. So this is just the MVP. That stands for minimal viable product. There's not a ton of features here. Basically, you can create an account, or you can log into your existing account, and you can track your leads. So I'll show you how this works now. So I'll go ahead and create an account. So you can just go ahead and enter your information in there, enter your email address, create a password, create account. I've got Cloudflare on here to add some extra security, and I have your password has to be at least 15 characters for more added security. This is built with full stack PHP, and it's got all the latest security features. It's pretty secure for an MVP app. So you can go ahead and use it. I wouldn't put too much sensitive data in here. If you actually want to go to ClientCued.com and start using this, guys, to track your leads, go ahead and do that. If you don't want to put in like your real email address, you can create a whatever at whatever.com. Like it can be a fake thing just so you can get a login account. This app is going to be just MVP prototype for a while before I start adding more and more features and require real email addresses. But if you want to use this just to see how it works and maybe it'll actually help your workflow, go ahead and check it out. So once you create your account, you can go ahead and click login and it'll bring you to the login screen, and then you can get into your account. So here it is, guys. It's very, very simple functionality. This is just a basic CRUD app. But again, guys, this is all most web apps online. Any software that you use or pay for, it basically has the same basic features, guys. You can create data, update data, read data, delete data. That's literally most of what web development is, no matter what the app is or what the gimmicks are or how complicated it looks. That's really the basic functionality of anything that you use day to day. So you can see here we have a simple dashboard. You can add a new lead. You can put the lead's full name. So you can put Bob Burger. His company will be Bob's Burgers. Put his email address if there's an email address that you could find for this person. Go ahead and put their phone number. And then what you can do here is put their status. Are they new? Have you already contacted them? Are they qualified to go after as a lead? Did you win them or did you lose them? You can keep track of pretty much everything here. So for now, we'll just say qualified, and we'll add a note. We'll say Bob has a very profitable business and needs a website to increase lead gen. Okay, so we'll save our lead here. The lead was saved successfully. Okay, so now what we can do is we can jump back to the dashboard now. So you can click dashboard up here. You can click dashboard here, however you want to get there. And now he's there. He's stored in our database. Total leads, Bob Burger. He's qualified. Now, say that we call Bob later on. We can go in here to edit, and maybe we won him or we contacted him. Maybe you just contacted him, and you can just update the notes. You can just say, however you want to format it. Contacted. He wants to meet next Saturday in person. Okay? So you can just update it, update the lead, and then we'll go back to the dashboard. And now if we go here, we have contacted, and you can go into edit again, see all the notes that were here from you, or, maybe you're using this for a small team and the last person. But very simple, guys, very simple. It'll just help you keep track of leads, who you've contacted, if you won their business, if you lost their business. Of course, you can also delete permanently when you're done with that person if you want to just create or start fresh, or you know what I mean. But yeah, this really works, guys. This is a real software as a service. Built this in about 3 or 4 hours. Again, I just did it using my basic AI workflow that I show you guys all the time when I build landing pages for websites, when I build landing pages for potential freelance clients. It's really the same thing. So as far as getting the word out there, guys, when you create a little SaaS or a little microservice, there's places that you can post them. One of them is called producthunt.com. This is specifically for like small little SaaS companies to get discovered. You can basically post your MVP, whatever you built, like what I have now, see if people like it, see people's comments and feedback, get people to use it right away. You can also deploy it or show it on Hacker News, which is more of a nerdy website, but again, you can also deploy it here. I'm sure you could also go to Reddit. I'm sure there's Facebook groups for stuff like this if you want to go ahead and get the word out, or do what I'm doing. I already built an audience on YouTube. I can show it to you guys and probably get, some users and some feedback right away. Now, this currently is free, guys, and that's how you always want to start it. You don't need to start charging money right away. What you need to do is get your MVP out there, your minimal viable product, and see if people even want to use it and if they even care about it. After that, that's when you can start charging, and you don't have to charge a lot for stuff like this. $1, $2, $3 a month, something like that. Guys, you charge something like that, you make a good website that actually helps people out. Let's say you get 4,000 people to sign up at $3 a month or $2 a month. That's $8,000 a month, guys. This is how entrepreneur developers, you can launch, with AI nowadays, you can launch, 20 of these a month, 15 of these a month, see which one sticks, if any of them hit, or just keep going until you get something that hits, and then build it up to passive income every month. People do this. Web developers do this all the time. There's more than one way to make money with web development than just getting a 9 to 5. Okay, there's freelancing, there's content creation, SaaS as a service. There's so many things that you guys can do once you have these skills. And just to show you what I'm talking about, guys, there's tons of these little microservices around that work and make people lots of money. All right, guys, so there's addy.io, a different email address for every website. So this basically creates aliases so that you don't have to give out your real email address everywhere and get people spamming you and calling you. If we look at the pricing, again, this is just a very simple microservice. Look at this: Lite, $1 a month; Pro, $3 a month. You can get unlimited shared aliases for $3 a month. The person for this website is probably making a bare minimum thousands and thousands of dollars every month. Here's another one, Muira Blog. This is like a bare bones WordPress service. Basically, you can start a simple blog in as little as 1 minute, track everything, have image hosting, do everything for $9 a year. Okay, $9 a year. Again, somebody's making this, like how minimal their landing pages is. I guarantee you this person is making money. If you want to get into like the OG of doing this little indie SaaS thing and making, this guy makes, he's made over $3 million with this website, nomads.com. This is written by or made by Pieter Levels. If you guys don't know who that is, he's like probably the most popular entrepreneur web dev creator. So guys, his websites, or at least his first prototype for this website and all of his software as a service, started out as a single I think it was just an index.php file. The guy used vanilla JavaScript, I believe, just vanilla PHP, code everywhere, messy code everywhere, like I'm pretty minimal bare bones, but this guy really does not give a fuck when it comes to any of that. He just has a very, very, very simple workflow. He used nothing. He used no frameworks. I don't think he said he even knew how to use GitHub and to push his repository to a cloud. Like, he had no idea what to do, but he built this out, And it didn't always look like this. It started really simple, but eventually he got, users, and he made it, go big from there. What is his pricing, if we can see it here? So, and he's charging for this, guys. He's charging $99 to $299 to access it for life, I guess, something like that. But this started out, he was just charging like $1 or $2. But when you get something that gets traffic and that people actually want to use, like, so basically you go here, you can see different cities and places across the world, and right away it gives you like, how was their internet, how was their safety, stuff like that right away. You can join this community, you can post, you can talk to people, meet other digital nomads, date people. Like, he's really expanded this to a lot, but it always starts as a little microservice for free like this. This is a real thing. If you want to check this guy out, he's on YouTube. He makes YouTube videos sometimes, or he has interviews that are really, really fascinating. He has his own website, and he's basically like, look, dude, I don't give a shit about coding or really about frameworks or anything. I just build stuff. I kind of know how to code, and this is what I do. And he makes $3 to $5 million a year. So that's a real thing. That's what I always tell you guys. Please, guys, listen to what I'm telling you. I'm not trying to just make a quick buck off you guys. Learn your coding foundations. Like, either do it for free on YouTube if you want to learn it by building projects and having a lot more fun and staying engaged. Check out my coding foundations course. Check out Prompt Build Ship. I'll teach you how to code in 5-minute digestible lessons. I'll teach you how to build and ship with AI using my workflow, including building full stack applications and launching them online, how to do the whole entire thing. I'll give you the AI website prompt library so you know how to use AI really, really efficiently for your prompts. And I'll even teach you how to build your developer brand and make a name for yourself, because that is super important nowadays. That's why I do YouTube. That's why everybody who's smart has an online presence. All right, guys. So again, this is just another way for you to use your skills as a developer to potentially make a lot of money, better your life. Just think about this stuff, guys. With the power of AI now, if you know the basics of coding like I know, you know how to prompt AI, you can build microservices ultra fast now and see what sticks. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.